What if I told you the world in 2030 will look nothing like today? Cars that fly themselves, buildings that heal their own cracks, and contact lenses that record your memories. Welcome to the future. It's closer than you think. Today we're counting down the top 10 futuristic inventions that will change the world by 2030. Get ready, because what you're about to see will make today's tech look ancient. At number 10, flying cars. Once a dream, now a prototype reality. Companies like Joby Aviation and AeroMobil are building electric air taxis that take off vertically and fly silently above traffic. By 2030, your morning commute might just happen in the sky. Number 9, smart contact lenses. Imagine checking messages, health stats, or navigation right inside your eye. Mojo Vision is already testing lenses that overlay digital info directly onto your vision. The screen of the future might be your eye itself. Number 8, self-healing concrete. Microbes embedded in the material can repair cracks automatically when exposed to air or water. Skyscrapers, roads, and bridges could soon repair themselves, just like living organisms. Number 7, quantum internet. Faster, unhackable, limitless. Using quantum entanglement, this internet transmits data instantly and securely across the globe. It's the backbone of the next digital civilization. Number 6, 3D printed organs. Scientists are now printing human hearts, kidneys, and skin using living cells. By 2030, donor shortages could disappear, replaced by lab-grown life. Halfway through at number 5, AI personal assistants. Forget simple voice commands. Next-gen AIs will learn your habits, make decisions, and manage your life autonomously. Think Jarvis, but in your pocket. Number 4, fusion energy, the holy grail of power, creating energy like the sun with zero emissions. Projects like ITER and Helion are racing to make it real before 2030. This could mean infinite clean energy for the entire planet. At number 3, neural implants. Imagine typing, learning, or even controlling machines using just your thoughts. Companies like Neuralink are bringing the brain-computer interface to life. In 2030, your mind might truly go wireless. Runner-up at number 2, autonomous construction robots. These machines can design, 3D print, and build entire skyscrapers without human hands. Faster, cheaper, and safer, they're reshaping how we build civilization itself. And at number 1, artificial general intelligence. Not just smart, truly intelligent. An AI capable of reasoning, learning, and innovating beyond human limits. Experts predict AGI could appear before 2030, and once it does, the human era evolves forever. Which invention amazed you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. If you love exploring how tech shapes our future, hit that like button and subscribe to AYNTK, where every video brings tomorrow to your screen today. From flying cars to thinking machines, the world isn't slowing down. By 2030, these inventions could redefine what it means to be human. Stay curious, stay inspired. This is AYNTK, all you need to know. See you in the next one.